Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to find your game location. To find the game location there is many ways to do so. So the first one will be just to find your game in the Origin app. You can either find it on your installed game tab here and just click on it and it will shows as follow, or you can also go to my collection and then you will find the installed games and you can do so and click and it will appears as the previous one. uh, Now you can manage and click and you'll find view properties, or you can just from my collection and find the 3 points and click and it will shows view properties from here and other thing like uninstall and repair and that stuff. We are interested on the properties. As you can see, the install location, you can find the title from here. If you click browse, it will show you the folder that contains the game as follow. And there is another simple way to find your game location, uh, but this will work only if you have a shortcut in that you allowed a shortcut and created it on your installation. So as you can see here are my my origin games. I can just click right click on it and just click open file location. As you can see, it will open my folder that contains the app. It is exactly as the previous method. You can do whatever method you want and that you find easy for yourself. So that's it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.